The best wood for a chopped salad bowl is one of the traditional hardwoods. There are maple, cherry, and black walnut, and you want an all-natural finish. You won't see a wood bowl with a stain to add color in the interior of a bowl on our website. We prefer an all-natural, food-safe finish, especially for a chop bowl where you will be chopping greens and ingredients right in the bowl and then serving them. So best to choose a North American hardwood. There is a reason why the best bowls are made from these woods. From time to time, inexperienced wooden bowl turners will use beech, a plain Jane semi-hardwood that is frequently tarted up with a light or dark stain or left natural. Looks fine out of the box, but after several chopped salads or Caesar salads, you will be asking yourself, what did I do wrong? You messed up in the beginning, starting with the wrong wood bowl. Staining wooden bowls makes them look a bit more interesting. If you are looking for a working kitchen wooden bowl, never choose stained. Stained wooden bowls not recommended, as most stains are not food safe. The act of chopping will send the stain into your food, and the chopping mars the stain. Complaints are frequent. Please do not substitute a bamboo bowl for hardwood if you are looking for the best wooden chopped salad bowl. Glue is used in all bamboo cutting boards and wooden bowls. The glue is not food safe. In fact, bamboo is in the grass family, not a tree species. It grows fast, is easily replaced, and is green. The truth is that the grass is harvested, pounded into a pulp, and glue is added as part of the final step of pressing the pulp into wood. If you love DIY and you have always been fascinated by the beauty of wood, wood turning might be the best hobby for you. However, each piece of wood is unique, and the last thing you want is damaging its grain by mistake when you have not mastered your turnery skills yet. So, before heading to your lathe and start handling more challenging woods, learn which timbers are the easiest ones to turn. Some of the easiest woods to turn include beech, hickory, ash, ebony, sycamore, yew, cherry, and rosewood. These woods are easy to handle, boost a fine grain, and are highly versatile. You might also prefer hardwood over softwoods and dry wood over wet wood, especially for more precise projects. Beech is a typical hardwood that you can find in most locations in Northern America. While you might not be picking this wood for its distinctive grain pattern, it is one of the few hardwoods with such a light color. Thanks for watching. Until next time.